Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about sensation and perception. Now sensation and perception क्या है? These are two very important processes through which we experience the entire world around us. They also form the basis through which we understand psychology, right? इसलिए वो हमारे क्लास 11th का 5th chapter है. And sensation and perception भले ही तो बहुत ही different processes हैं. They are very intricately connected with each other. And this is why we can form whole and conscious experiences. We can talk about sensation first. Now, sensation क्या है? Sensation is the initial contact that an organism has with the physical world around them. And then perception is the way through which we form a very organized whole of all this information or data or stimuluses that are there in our physical environment so that we can form conscious experiences about these objects and the relationship among different objects. Now let us talk about the 5 sensory modalities that we have, right? Which is audition, that is hearing. जैसे कि कोई भी फ्रीक्वेंसी जब हमारे ईयर्स पे गिरती है, कैसे हमारे ईयर्स उसको एक न्यूरल सिग्नल में फॉर्म करते हैं, एंड देन इट गोज टू द ऑडिटरी कॉर्टेक्स ऑफ आवर ब्रेन. After that, there is vision, which is basically any light that forms onto our eyes and gets processed by the retina, the photoreceptors, gets transformed into electrical signals. जो मैं neural signals के बारे में बात कर रही थी, these are electrical signals, and this entire process is known as transduction. And कैसे हमारे ये सारे जो electrical signals हैं, they go to the brain, the visual cortex, the visual association cortex, the auditory cortex, right? And there it gets transformed into meaningful wholes so that we can understand the world around us. Then we go to somatosensation, which is touch. कोई भी चीज़, जैसे हम किसी गर्म चीज़ को छूते हैं या कोई हमारे हाथ पे हाथ रखता है, सो वो जो फीलिंग हमें फील होती है, द प्रेशर, द हीट एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स इज देयर थ्रू सोमैटोसेंसेशन, हमारी स्किन के थ्रू. And there was a very interesting study that was done by Levinson and his associates in 2014, which studied the impact of emotions on tactile sensitivity, right? He divided people into 3 groups and they were asked to experience different emotions through a lot of different information that was given to them in the form of text, in the form of videos, और जो information उन्हें receive हुई उसके through जो इन्हें emotion generate हुआ, फिर उसका impact देखा गया था tactile sensitivity के ऊपर. Now it was seen कि इन तीनों groups के अंदर fear was the most powerful emotion that had a marked impact on tactile sensitivity. हमें जब भी fear महसूस होता है या हम डरे हुए होते हैं तब हमारी tactile sensitivity बहुत कम हो जाती है. That is why when we are in a fearful situation we feel numb. After that we go to chemical senses. Now ये chemical senses क्या है? Basically which are related to chemoreceptors, जैसे हमारा smell और taste, which are associated with again our nose and our tongue. जो इतना सारा wonderful खाना है हमारे आसपास, इतना tasty खाना that we can experience is all possible because of these chemical senses, which is taste and smell. और कैसे ये हमारे ब्रेन तक जाती है again through electrical signals, and all this gets processed into one meaningful whole, and that is perception. इसके थ्रू हम इतनी सारे senses, इतने सारे sensory information को साथ में जोड़ पाते हैं to form a conscious experience. Now we are going to talk about the pioneers in the research of sensation and perception, which are Weber and Fechner. ये हमारे initial psychophysicists हैं. Psychophysics was a field that was given by them. So psychophysics क्या है? Let's talk about that first. Psychophysics is a field in which the sensory data and our sensory organs, इनका क्या quantitative relationship है वो पढ़ा जाता है. And इसके अंदर 2 जो बहुत ही important topics आते हैं, which are absolute threshold and just differential threshold or just noticeable difference, right? Now absolute threshold क्या है? Any stimulus energy that is registered by our senses around 50% of the time. So basically वो dimmest light हमारे रूम के अंदर या वो faintest sound जो हमें सुनाई देती है वो absolute threshold है, which is the most smallest amount of stimulus energy that can be registered by our senses 50% of the time. And after that we go to just noticeable difference or differential threshold. Now differential threshold क्या है? Which is basically the difference, the slightest difference between 2 stimuluses that can be registered by our senses 50% ऑफ द टाइम. ऑलराइट, यहाँ पे मैं 50% ऑफ द टाइम इसलिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ आवर सेंसेस रजिस्टरिंग दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन. राइट, सो जैसे कि हमारे पास दो जूसेस हैं और उनमें से कौन सा ज़्यादा मीठा है, लेकिन बहुत ही स्लाइट डिफरेंस है उस मीठे के अंदर. ऑलराइट, सो दैट इज आवर जस्ट नोटिसेबल डिफरेंस. So that was all for today, guys, and we are going to talk about a lot more different topics related to sensation and perception in the upcoming videos. First, we will discuss how is it that we investigate the different processes related to sensation and perception. So क्या क्या उसके लिए research methods हैं या quantitative और qualitative methods हैं जो researchers ने develop किए हैं. अगली वीडियो में हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. And after that, we are going to focus more on the biology of the entire process. कैसे हमारी sensory modalities काम करती हैं so that we can experience this beautiful world around us. And after that, we are going to talk in depth about perception, उसके different processes, the Gestalt psychologists who are related to it. So it's going to be a lot of new information for you guys, some old, some new. We're going to mix it up, and we're also going to talk about researches related to this topic. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos, which are going to be on Wednesday and Friday. Do like, share and subscribe this channel and like this video so that a lot of different people who are enthusiasts like you and me and are curious souls who want to learn something new can reach this video. So bye, I'll see you in the next video.